Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be converting between fractions, decimals and percentages. Here are some questions related to converting decimals, percentages and fractions. Convert the question into the other two measurements. Please pause the video. So, as we've done fractions and decimals, let's revise our percentages. A percentage, 1% equals to 100. In the name, percent means cent equals to 100, so it's a per 100. So 1% equals to 0.01 equals to 100. So after that short revision on percentage, let's now explain the questions. So if we do 0.8, we obviously know that that's 8/10. How we know this? It's because when we're doing this, 8/10, as we say it, is 8 by 10. And in a percentage, that would be 80%, as 1% equals to 100, and this is 80/100. So as a fraction, this would be, actually we've forgotten something. 8/10 equals to 4/5 in a simplified version. So 8 fraction equals to 4/5, and percentage is 80%. So the next question, 0.37. The same procedure is applied here. So 0.37 equals to 3700. Now, if we see here, 3700s cannot be simplified. So, as a percentage, this would be 37% as 3700. So fraction equals to 37 by 100, and percentage equals to 37%. Next question. Question 3. Now this gets a bit complicated. So as for 1/8, a fraction to a decimal means that 1 divided by 8, as numerator divided by denominator. So 0 point, add a 0 here, 1, 2 remainder here, 0, 2. So 16 and 4 remainder, add a 0 for the decimal point, would be fraction to decimal is 0.125. Now, when we're converting from decimal to percentage, decimal times 100 equals the percentage. So 0.125 times 100 equals to 12.5%. Now, let's write the answer in the box. So as a decimal, it equals to 0.125, and as a percentage, it equals to 12.5. Now let's do question 4. So 1/5. Now, if we know our simple conversion fact, 1/5 we would know as 0.2. However, if it's a more complicated fraction, we would do 1 divided by 5. So let's do the same method here. 1 divided by 5 is 0. We added 2, so 10 divided by 5 is 0.2 as a decimal. Next, as I've said before, decimal times 100 equals the percentage. So 0.2 times 100 equals to 20%. So let's now write it in the box. Decimal equals to 0.2 and percentage equals to 20%. Next, let's do our final question. So this one is a percentage to decimal and fraction. So how we're meant to do it is 76%, as we know previously, 76% is 76 by 100, which is, in a simplified format, if we did that, it would be, so 70 divided by 2, 35, plus 6 divided by 2, 3, so 38 by 50. However, we can simplify this even further, so 19 by 25 is our fraction format. And that as a decimal. Now, as we're saying, formula from decimal to percentage is times 100. From percentage to decimal, it's divided by 100. 76 divided by 100 is 0.76. Now, this means that fraction equals to 19 over 25, and decimal equals to 0.76. Now, let's move on. So here are the final questions. Please put your answers in the comment section below. See you in the next video.